counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 193 remains in effect until midnight Wednesday for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. In 7 inches. Elsewhere across New Jersey at 6 p.m. Skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 82 at Wrightstown, 84 at Pomona, 85 at Peterborough, 82 at Caldwell, and 81 at Morristown. Sussex reported 81, Somerville reported 78, Trenton reported 82, and Mount Holly reported 82.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, issued a special early warning for the Delaware Bay north of the line between East Point, New Jersey, and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, including Big Hatch Island, 3D Point, Woodland Beach, Slaughter Beach, Cross Ledge Light, Vortex Beach, Miami Light, Sea Breeze, Ship Marshall Light, and Stony Point until 7:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates the line of the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Little Lake and New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey, and Sedgwick Island, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, including Axel Carson Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Orchid River, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Rivulet, Little Lake Inlet, Little Lake Reef, Manasquan Inlet, North Beach Haven, Ocean Gate, Seaside Cotton, Ship Bottom until 8:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 knots or greater than 30 nautical miles west of Manasquan Inlet to 41 nautical miles northwest of Little Lake Inlet, from 23 nautical miles southwest of South Amboy to 26 nautical miles northeast of Peapatch Island, moving east at 35 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Ocean Gate at 7:10 p.m., Seaside Park at 7:20 p.m., Rivulet at 7:20 p.m., Orchid River at 7:20 p.m., Axel Carlson Reef at 7:20 p.m., Harvey Cedars at 7:30 p.m., Barnegat Light Reef at 7:30 p.m., Barnegat Light at 7:30 p.m., Little Lake Inlet at 7:40 p.m., Ship Bottom at 7:40 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
Waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, are 20 nautical miles. At 6 p.m., at Toms River, it was cloudy. The temperature was 84 degrees, the dew point 64 degrees, and the relative humidity 51%.